Alright folks, good evening and welcome to the kitchen, where tonight we're going to be trying these new chocolate biscuits, Choco Libnis they're called. They're on special offer in the Co-op today for £1. Now, you only get 6 in the box, that's the only thing, 6. So let's give these a shot. Well, there it is, so there it is, look. It's a wafer thin biscuit with chocolate on the top. We've got a picture on it. What's that picture? Oh, it just says Choco Libnis. So this is what you're getting, man. It's very thin, but it's quite a crispy biscuit. So here we go. Oh man, that is so good. The chocolate is actually quite thick compared to the biscuit, and you get a really nice snap or a crunch. Look. Very Moorish. So, German, these are. I searched for this through Google Lens. I don't know if any of you have got Google Lens. Well, if you update your Google app, excuse me folks, I've got a very sore throat. If you update your Google app and it comes up with Google Lens, in the search box there's a little sort of square thing. If you tap that, it takes you to the sort of like the camera, and you just focus on what it is you want. So I just focused on this bit here, and it will take you straight to a page or a similar product to that. So it's really, really handy, Google Lens. Even if you put it on the map here, focused on the map, it will take you to one of the places that goes straight. It gives you all the information. So Google Lens, folks, definitely recommend it. Anyway, the biscuit is absolutely amazing. It's really, really, the biscuit is short crust. Man. Did you get some more of them? They're really good. Yep. So they're going to get a 9. A 9 out of 10, folks. A 9 out of 10 on the biscuitometer. Amazing. Totally delicious, man. Very Moorish. So go down to your local Co-op and buy a box of these. Who makes them? Balson or something. Did you know? Oh, hang on, there's a thing on the back here that says something about did you know? Let me just read it, folks. Okay, what it is, it's just telling you all about the founder of the biscuit company. His name was Herman Balsam, our founder. Had a rather splendid idea whilst he was here in the UK. He developed a passion for bakery and started his own biscuit business. So there you go. And they're now on their 3rd generation of people doing the biscuits. So there you go, folks. I thoroughly recommend you go and buy them. Excellent. It's late at night, folks, but I've written a riff. I just want to record it. It's a B flat, D minor, and an E flat, F. Anyway, good night, folks. See you in the morning. Right, folks, when I come in tonight, I've got to make the table. I've got to make it up. It's quite a complicated one. It's a 2-layered or 2-tiered table. It's got these sort of stanchion bits that go up. I've got to make it up. It looks dead complicated. I'm not looking forward to this, man, at all. Just when I come in tonight, I have to get stuck into it. It's got these bits here as well, which are, you know what's going on? I'm going to put upside down, and it's going to be one leg missing and everything. So the instructions are quite vague, actually. Look, here they are. There's the instructions. See, look. It's simple there, doesn't it? Yeah, just do that, do that. Right, folks, I've got half an hour to spare before I go and pick up Rosie. So we're going to go down into the Dighty tunnel there, and we're going to see if we can find the Dighty cat. It's down there somewhere. Here we go. So it's got to be done. Spare. Oh, I forgot. Got a really sore throat. We'll try again. Spares. Not a bad sort of resonance there on the echo. That's quite good. Yeah, nice one, man. So anyway, the cat. I think the cat's maybe further along. I might have got the wrong ends here. Here's another nice. Look at these lovely mosaics, man. They're really, really well done. So that's is that like one of those sycamore flower things? I think. And there's another one. Oh no! Oh yes, there it is. I found it. There's the cat. There it is. And then we've got another mosaic there. Somebody on my Instagram, was it David Murray? I think he had the cat. So that kind of made me come down here to look for it. So there it is, the Dighty cat. And above it we have one of these mosaics. Yeah, lovely. Can you see it, folks? Table at the moment. This is what it's like. Not been too bad. Well, that bit's to go on there. They sent me the wrong instructions though. So there it is, folks. It's almost done. Almost done. Right, folks, here we are with the DIY table almost done. They sent the wrong instructions, man. I can't believe it. There should have been. It says on here this. There should be 1251 bits, and there's not. It's all wrong, man. And they've sent the wrong bits. So what I've had to do, folks, I've had to use my intelligence and my DIY skill to get this together. So I'm just waiting to get this on here. This bit here has to go on with the 4 prongs. Have to fit into the 4 bits there. So I need Rosie to help me put this in here, and then we just screw in the bolts with the washers, and that's us. And that'll be it done, folks. Excellent. We're almost there. There was a really awkward bit, this bit here. See this bit here, to screw this bit in, just with a manual screw. I've used this little gadget screwdriver here. I can't remember where I got this from. Somebody gave it to me. And I tell you, it's the best little thing ever. It's like a ratchet. Okay, it's got a ratchet thing here. Now, bro's just sent me a message. What's that? Another table. Yes, bro, another table. So, yeah, it's like a ratchet. So when you're screwing, it just turns and stops and turns. It's really, really good. It's a great little screwdriver. This thing's done me. I know I hate DIY, but this screwdriver has done me really well throughout the years that I've had it. And it's got different sort of screws all the way along there. Look, different heads and everything. It's fantastic. It really is. So we're almost finished. Next video will be the finished article. Right, well, the table's finished, folks, but it's a disaster. It's far too big. It's massive. Look. So I've put it here just now. God knows what we're going to do with it because it's just so big. Rosie thought it was just going to be the size of the panel underneath, or even half the size there. It's so big, man. Look, it just sits in the corner. It just takes over the whole corner. So I'm not having that, man. Like daft just sitting there. Like, so I don't know what we're going to do, but damn. Sounds as if I've wasted of my DIY skill making it. But hey ho, we shall see what happens. Stay tuned, folks, for further getting the sitting room organised adventures. Look, see, look. The place is just in turmoil at the moment, man. Look at it. It's not looking good at all, man. It's all going a bit wrong. But we've got the picture up. Picture looks good, and it stayed up, which is something. So we shall see what happens. These big pink furry cushions are not to be sat on or put your feet on. They're just for show. So, oh yeah. Or I cut my thumb on the table. There's coffee time. Biscuits get in. It is, and it will go straight to a page. Fuck, my voice is knackered. Hang on.